Any decision to invest a fair amount of money into a solar photovoltaic system, obviously there's a critical financial element in that decision, and that's a really important part of it and something we always look at, the return on investment and the payback periods. But also of critical importance is the environmental benefits, and I think that this is definitely a concern for our customers, an important concern, also along with the financial concerns and being able to get by. But this is one of those rare opportunities where you can put an investment in that you get a win financially and a win for the environment. I'm passionate about environmental issues. It's something that I got interested in way back in university, and I think it really resonates with me, also having a bit of an economics background, that it just makes sense financially and also for the environment to be using renewables. It may be sometimes a secondary consideration for the mums and dads out there who are really trying to get by, but it is an important consideration. I know for me, when I put it in, there were two factors. Certainly it feels good to be able to make a difference and reduce the greenhouse gas emissions going into our environment. To me, it makes absolute sense to look after our resources, to minimise the use of non-renewable energy, and to leave the world just a little bit better than the way you found it. It's just logical. We're doing it every single day. It's not that hard, it's achievable, it's financially the right decision to make. This is really a great feeling for me to come to work every single day and to be able to make an immediate impact on customers and on the environment. It's a good feeling to come home and say, you know what, win-win.